Okay, let's do this, you know? Dang, okay, that last game was a little dog water, not gonna lie. But, I'm hopefully gonna redeem myself this game. Dang, if I don't, I'm gonna be like, oh, okay. Wait, that was something, okay. That was something. Oh, that one's it. And that one's it. Okay. I would say if I died in that, bro, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, I respawned. What? Wait, did I really? Oh, I just missed every single shot too, didn't I? I'm like so mad right now. I'm actually so mad, bro. Dang. I'm sorry, I had to fix the camera. You know what? I'm gonna just give up there. Damn, bro, I really just had to stop my game like that. Adios, amigo. Oh, sorry. Where do you think you're going, buddy? Dang, bro. Dang, I kind of suck. Like, bro, I literally could have knifed him how bad he is. I am dog water, bro. I swear I'm dog water. Why am I like so bad, bro? Why am I so bad? Sir, I'm a little upset. Okay, how did I miss those first of all? I never miss shots like that. I like literally just never miss shots like that. I don't know what's up. It wasn't nice. It was a nice kill, but like, come on, you really gotta do that to me? Well, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.